Hello, welcome to WonderPhil Magic TV. Today we're going to learn a trick where you get to pretend that you can predict what other people are going to decide. I have an envelope, and in the envelope are a few pieces of paper that we're going to use for this trick. We have a little pointer, a square, a circle, a triangle. We're going to move the pointer like this until someone says stop. There's no one here to say stop, that's okay. We'll pretend you stop here. It doesn't matter, when I teach you how it's done, you'll see you could stop here, or there, anywhere. If you stop here though, I can prove I knew you were gonna pick that spot. Only this one has the X marked in the back. This trick will need some arts and crafts. So we need a few things. An envelope, some construction paper, and some crayons or markers. We'll also need some scissors. We're gonna need a few squares of paper, just about the same size, but it's not too important. Then another strip of paper that we'll use for our arrow. Lastly, a piece of paper that's a bit bigger than all the rest. That's all the cutting. Now we decorate. To make explaining easy, I'm going to use one color and three basic shapes. A square, a circle, a triangle. When you do it, use all the colors you like. Have some fun. On this piece of paper, you're going to draw any one of the shapes that you drew over here. I'll do the triangle. On the back of this piece, draw one of the two remaining shapes. I did a square. On the back of your last shape, draw a big X. So now you have all this stuff, what are you going to do with it? First, put it in the envelope. When you're ready to perform, remove the first three squares you made. Make sure the audience can see the shapes on the front, not the X on the back. And take out your pointer. This last piece stays in the envelope. We might not even need it. You can lay the pieces flat on the table like this. I am performing for a camera, so I'm going to put them up like this. People can really stop you anywhere. And if they stop you on this pot, you're going to show them that these other pieces have blank backs, and they chose the one that has the X. If they stop you here, if they stop you there, you can prove that you knew that was going to happen just by showing them that the pointer you're holding has that shape on the back. And if they stop you there, you can put all this aside, hand them the envelope, and ask them to look inside. When they do, the only thing they'll find is a shape that matches the one they stopped on. So whatever they decide, you can make it look like you knew that was going to happen. I hope you have fun making that trick. I hope you practice that trick, and I hope you have a great time performing it for your friends and family. And until next time, remember, a lot of things can be wonderful, but only magic can be WonderPhil!